It's time to the fourth game at the weekend, the Community Shield, and they like to do their work on the training ground as we see the players make their
at the weekend, but it certainly gives them a little bit of a taste. He knows what it's all about. He doesn't need to be introduced, and he's as well.
Well, let's have a look at the Liverpool starting 11 that's been named by Jurgen Klopp for this game. The main concerns, of course, going into the first game of the season, Dublin at the weekend, despite him wanting to play.
Well, it'll be interesting to see if he plays at the weekend. I don't think 15 stitches is going to...
Preparation for the new season. Michael Oliver wants a bit more preparation as well. He's in charge today. The instantly recognisable
and fully committed.
Well, there's the delivery towards Salah. He may have just got a toe on the end of it, but couldn't divert the ball towards the goal.
Well, it's very much a back five, isn't it, when Liverpool get possession?
Salah, just can't quite thread it through to Mane, but it was so slick. Was looking for Salah. This falls very nicely. Breaks to Iago Falque, but he is just offside. Alisson, Sadio Mane, it's a good step. The defender did just about enough to hold him off, although the referee turns round and says that could well be a Liverpool penalty. Liverpool account, and maybe he tried to be too precise. He doesn't miss many, you know.
Well, he certainly missed that one.
And Firmino with a little cut back and shot! Scoring at Anfield again, just like he was last year and the year before. Roberto Firmino is off the mark in pre-season, setting himself up perfectly for the new campaign.
Well, he's only got 45 minutes under his belt, but it doesn't matter when you find yourself in a position like that as a striker. The instinct...
Certainly was. It was a decent effort as well, and Sirigu had to make the save.
Well, we know he has that ability, the youngster. He's not shy of having a ball.
And Liverpool are in again, and Liverpool score again through Gini Wijnaldum, and that's the old Liverpool. That is a classy goal.
That is a real quality goal. And I tell you what, all credit to young Nat Phillips, because it's an absolutely scintillating ball into the front man. It's something that Liverpool, I think, need to do a lot more.
That's towards Belotti. Well, he is capable of scoring all types of goals, and there's a thumping header. Just crept in behind Nat Phillips, and Torino have themselves a goal back. Well, Alisson is beaten for the first time.
Alisson can do nothing, really. I think
by Alex Berenguer to deny Trent Alexander-Arnold. Liverpool carved Torino open there. Salah away from one. Can't get away though from Izzo, who's
fancy it. There's the Frenchman, and then it's just whether he can get the shot on target. Credit to Rio, like to bulge in the net from a shot like that.
You must love that though. He's been on the field for a couple of minutes. The first involvement in the game, he's having a pop at the cop end, and he's got no fear whatsoever. He's shown that throughout pre-season.
Dropping deep. I don't think we have a problem with that if you have players going beyond them, and certainly on that occasion, you know, Danny Ings, that might be the thinking behind Jurgen Klopp's idea of playing the two.
That's in towards Sturridge, faces up the defender, shoots, super stop by the goalkeeper. Little drag from Daniel Sturridge, carved the chance out. The ball is good, and Sirigu makes the save and a half save, and Itzo clears the ball off the line. Nearly for Danny Ings, very nearly.
Well, I think there's questions whether, I'm not quite sure if that's Simone Aldera's first touch, but it's a decent one. One thing about Belotti is very, very direct, isn't he, when he picks the ball up? Only one thing on his mind is to keep...
Well, that's one back, but it is a foul. Daniel Sturridge actually denied by a brilliant save by Sirigu. And gets the return. On towards Sturridge with the shot. Just tried to give the goalkeeper the eyes, and certainly. And Klein and Shaqiri, and that's towards Sturridge. It's a glorious ball, and Daniel Sturridge just glances the ball beyond Sirigu, but it's all about the delivery from Xherdan Shaqiri. It is just simply delicious, and Sturridge couldn't miss, and Liverpool wrap it up with a...
Every day I got some flash.